The best teeth whitening kit for couples by touch. Mix the Impression Putty Together Remove the blue and white putty from their containers and quickly knead together until they are blended into one color. Back to top T. Place Blended Putty in the tray. Quickly form the putty into a hot dog shape and place it into the clear impression tray. Back to top T. Take your impression, press the tray up over your teeth until they are completely covered and hold still for 3-4 minutes. Back to top T. Remove and inspect the tray. Remove the impression from your teeth and inspect to make sure you can see all your teeth and part of your gums. Nice deep impressions work best. Back to top T. Mail your impressions to the lab. Mail your impressions along with the customer information card to the lab using the pre-addressed envelope provided. You will receive your completed trays in 7-10 business days after your impressions are received at the lab. SODIAL Teeth Whitening Pen Tooth Gel Whitener Bleach Stain. I just wish it lasted longer. I did see instant results. I have sensitive teeth and it didn't make them more sensitive. Speaking in tongues. Sunatoria Teeth Whitening Natural Coconut Activated Charcoal Powder Flavor, Freshmint Ingredients, 100% pure charcoal made from coconut shells. Specification, gross weight, 60 g. Measurements, 2.8, 2.7, 2.12. Shelf life, 2 years. Main ingredient, activating carbon applicable efficacy, brightens and descales teeth, prevents bad breath and periodontal disease, and inhibits dental plaque. Package includes 1 teeth whitening charcoal powder. Storage conditions: store in cool, dry place. Keep out of direct sunlight. Caution: avoid contact with eyes, and keep out of reach of children. Please consult your healthcare provider before using while pregnant. Guarantee: with the 100% risk-free satisfaction guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Are sure that you will be impressed with the product's quick results and natural ability to remove stains, odors, and toxins while ensuring bright white teeth. Heltec Bright White Strips Teeth Whitening Gel Strips 28 count 14. The strips work on me. I noticed the effect after several days. For the first use, I did feel a little sensitive, but it's not strong and didn't last. I found that salivation is more active than usual if gel strips pasted on teeth, so I lay down on bed to avoid liquid leaking out. Generally, I clean my teeth with water, then paste the gel strips. After around 30 minutes peel off them, and brush teeth with toothpaste before going to bed. Like how it works and will keep using and updating. EasyGeo Pack of 2 Thermal Molding Custom Fitting Dental Teeth. It is so much cheaper to whiten your teeth at home. And this set of trays that you custom fit to your teeth is a good alternative to having it done in a dental office. All you have to do is follow the instructions and you will have whiter teeth in a few weeks. This set comes with a plastic storage box and 2 easy to mold to your teeth whitening trays. This can save you a lot of money. I enjoy giving reviews, especially for products like this custom molding teeth whitening trays. Some of the items I have reviewed are items that my wife has purchased, as we share this Amazon account. You may notice that some are written from my perspective and others are written from hers. We always try to give our honest opinion, because just like you, we are looking for the truth. We rely on reviews to know which products are excellent quality and worth our precious time and hard-earned money. So if a product gets 5 stars from us, you can rely on it being a quality product that we would purchase again or recommend to family or friends. Professional Bright White Smile Teeth Whitening Kit by EasyGeo. Light is funky, which occurs even after replacing the batteries and ensuring that the battery cap is secured tightly. However, the product does seem to do its job. You won't notice significant day and night differences immediately. Give the product a week or so to work and then look at the change. Avoid products that will stain your teeth as well while using this. In all, for the money, it was a decent purchase. Mr. Bright clinically approved professional home teeth lead whitening. I like this kit a lot. But, I wish it had better instructions. I had to do some research online to figure out exactly what to do. The kit has a pair of mouth guards, which were my biggest confusion. So, to use them, do as it says and dip it in boiling water for about 10 seconds till they wilt. Let them cool just enough to not burn you and put them in your mouth, forming them to your teeth. Once this is done, you can trim off the tabs in front and they will easily fit in your mouth with the lead light. This bleaching kit does work. No. I will not be putting pics of my teeth online. My teeth look good, but still. Teeth pics are icky. Anyway, this is a good kit, and it does bleach teeth well. It was just confusing without the rest of the instructions. Professional grade. I was given a discount in exchange for an honest review. I was not paid in any way and all opinions are my own. Dental Guard Dental Grinding Teeth Mouth Guard Pack of. About us. The raw material of the Dental Guard, with its medium softness, was strictly selected by Fiery Youth Group. The teeth guards that endeavor to offer to you will be unlike the cheap, hard, and thick ones. They will be moldable to fit your mouth the best and help you get rid of dental grinding. Features prevent a series of health problems that are caused by bruxism, like night teeth grinding, jaw clenching, tension headache, stiff neck, insomnia, TMJ pains, etc. High quality and FDA approved material with no latex or BPA ensures you 100% safety and refreshment. The soft mouth guards can be reshaped with only 2 molding steps, much easier than other hard guards. 3-in-1 functions give the dental guards another 2 prominent uses: sports mouth guards and teeth whitening trays. How to use STEP 1. Heat boil the water in a small pot on the stove top. Place the dental guard into the hot water to heat it up. Remove it from the water and let it cool for 10 seconds. Step 2. Fit. Use a mirror as a guide, align the dental guard with your teeth. Bite down firmly. Suck the air and excess water out. Leave the teeth guard in your mouth for at least 60 seconds. Remove it and rinse in cool water for 10 seconds. How to clean after each use: brush your dental guard with toothpaste. Never rinse in hot water as it could alter the shape of your dental guard. Customer service. If you are unsatisfied with your purchase for any reason, you can contact us first before leaving us a bad review. Promise to write you back within 24 hours to offer you a satisfactory solution. Package contents 4 dental guards, 1 hygienic case, 1 user manual.